I remember being in the air after that. I just remember the sound of the glass and the crumpling and the rolling over. It's like time slowed down. They said I lost a conscience, that's why they took me to the hospital. Well, my name's Jose Barrera. I was actually on break at work, just coming back to work, and I was on Highway 85 South in Fayetteville. This guy, I see him prepping to yield to turn. He didn't yield, he pulls out, and he just smokes me, and I flip over 3 times. Really, that's kind of all I really remember. They said I lost a conscience, that's why they took me to the hospital. I have multiple herniated discs in the top and the bottom of my spine. I have a brace on right now. I have a mild TBI, I think it's traumatic brain injury. Obviously the PTSD from that stuff too. I was scared to get in cars for a while, but everything was great. I remember specifically Sierra, so being in contact with Sierra a lot, just going back and forth with any questions that I had, walking me through it. I remember a phone call we had where I described my symptoms, and she was just very compassionate and caring, making it a lot smoother for me. They pushed me towards that instead of worrying about, oh, how am I going to replace this or the bill and this. Bashir at the end as well, answering a lot of questions for me when he was doing his documents. It was 4 doctors in total, and all of them were amazing. They healed me and I gained confidence really quickly. Through Awad Law Firm, I was able to just bet on myself, stop being scared of living in that same cycle. I was compensated fairly enough to where I was able to stop focusing on work and be able to focus on school. Things that make me happy, actually. I really appreciate the Awad Law Firm for everything. I didn't have any complaints. Every question was answered. Any fear that I had was quelled, and I really appreciate it, and I was compensated fairly and able to make something with that. So I really appreciate them.